Hello and welcome to the channel Other Tongues. In this video we will discuss the Thai consonant ng. This is part of a series of videos to help you learn Thai. You will find the link to the playlist in the description. The Thai consonant ng sounds like the ng in the middle of the word singing or ringing at the beginning and end of a syllable. Ng. It will take some practice to get used to making this sound at the beginning of a syllable. The accompanying word ng means snake. Ng is a low-close consonant and a sonorant final consonant. This is how ng is written. Important here is to start by drawing the circle at the top right corner of the letter in the clockwise direction. If you then follow the illustration here, you should not have any problems writing ng from beginning to the end without raising the pen. Example of a word containing ng is ngan, meaning work in the middle tone. Why the middle tone? Well, the single syllable in the word ngan is a live syllable because it has a sonorant final consonant no-nu. Ngan begins with a low-close consonant ng, therefore based on the tone rules for a live syllable, ngan is in the middle tone. There is also bang, meaning some in the middle tone. Why the middle tone? Well, bang has one syllable, which is a live syllable because it has a sonorant final consonant ng. As bang begins with a middle-class consonant bo by mai, based on the tone rules for a live syllable, bang is in the middle tone. That is the Thai consonant ng, which we can summarize as a consonant that sounds like the ng in the middle of the word singing or ringing at the beginning and end of a syllable. Ng is a low-close consonant and a sonorant final consonant. The accompanying word ng means snake. Ng is written like this. Examples of words containing ng are ngan in the middle tone meaning work and bang in the middle tone meaning some. I hope this video was helpful. References to resources are in the description. You can write your questions and comments in the comment section below. Until next time, it's goodbye.